Half a mile away, aboard the Pathfinder, Neely Lawton had a similar thought. As a systems biologist, Neely was staring at her own monitor, observing something very different taking place. She was far more interested in the plants and vegetation surrounding the alien craft than the ship itself. Or more precisely, the genetic behavior of those plants. She breathed in, barely moving, watching the image on her screen with fascination. A small dark green tube from a sea whip lay on a flat glass petri plate, positioned beneath a large Euromex biological microscope. Its powerful lens focused in on the severed end of the fibrous tube. In silent amazement, Neely watched as the damaged cellulose fibers moved like tiny searching fingers. Then very slowly, and one by one, the microscopic fingers found each other and began rebuilding, weaving themselves back together, at a speed that was simply stunning. It was only the second time she had ever seen it. The first time happened with a different plant, pulled from the jungles of Guyana, a plant that was very different. But their structures, or more specifically their DNA, were very similar. Both plants possessed the same incredible healing properties she was now witnessing. The testing of the plant's genetic behavior was easy to replicate, and like the first sample, this one's behavior also mimicked one of the smallest and most sinister living organisms known to man, the human cancer cell. Yet unlike a cancer cell, these plant cells were not dedicated to the growth of a deadly tumor. The reconstruction witnessed here applied to all parts of the plant's biological structure, and it worked just as fast.